What's up, social media family? I'm back and I have great news for you. As always, today we're going to be discussing the new flyer program that I have, and it is called Cash in the Box. So, if you haven't heard, this is one of the this is the hottest program that I have because it's an entry-level system for anyone to get started, whether you're young, old, whatever background that you come from, whatever experience you have. You don't have to know a lot because this is simple. And if you are able to follow instructions, this particular program you will enjoy because it's so simple. Cash in the Box is a work from home direct mailbox business system that is changing the whole industry because of the way that it's structured. If you want to build a business from home, this system is what you want to start with because you will be in profit, and cash flow is everyone's goal. Because as a marketer, I've noticed people want something that works and something that's not hard, something that is not too salesy, because ultimately they want to see if this is something that they can present and be happy with because of their results. So this is one of my cover photos that I made utilizing PowerPoint. I'm going to try to keep this video short, but this is really an insider of what I use. I don't have a lot of fancy programs. This is just simply PowerPoint. I took one of my pictures, I added some text and some shapes and maybe clip art in the middle, and just made my own cover, so that people can understand that this is something that I'm advertising and it is attractive to the eye, because ultimately this is something I'm going to be using to share on my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, as well as pushing on my ads. So this is how I use simple programs to create passive income online. This is just one of the tricks that I use. I'm going to go over to my YouTube channel and show you. If you have not subscribed, you want to go ahead and key in Coach Sir Zamar, and you can key it in the search engine up here, and I will come up. Basically, you want to make sure that you connect with me and stay updated on what I have going on. Simple as that. You will see my videos and go down through the list. Now, I'm going to go over to the website, open up another tab to share with you how simple this system is. If you want information and want to do your research, educate yourself by going to our website. cashinthebox.net. There's also a phone number to call, and it's also posted on this particular website. It's 844-549-CASH. 844-549-CASH. And this is how you are able to get signed up. Now, I will be able to send you a PDF flyer digital of this particular whatever level you want to come in at. I will be able to send that flyer to you by email to print off, to get the instructions to get started. All you have to do is send a money order to me and to the admin, which is ALV Marketing, and the address is on the flyer. And I actually have a paper copy of those flyers. There's different levels. If you can see this, there is a $50 level, there is a $100 level, and it has my information at the bottom because once you signed up, you will be emailed a digital copy of your flyer so that you can get started. If you're wanting to use the mailbox and get cash on a daily basis, this system will work for you. This is just how the website looks. This will also be on your flyer to present to prospects so that they know how to join. They must have a sponsor, of course. They can't just join. They must have a sponsor. And how it works. There's information there about the company. All of this information is here. And you can meet the CEO of the company. Her name is Andy. And I'm excited because this is so simple to use. And I am able to brand myself and market it as an affiliate. So I'm going to show you something else that I'm using. Simply, all I'm going to do is mail like crazy. Mail like crazy, stay consistent. For those that want to come in, it's very affordable. The package will be, like I said, starting at $50, and that $50 will go to getting your marketing kit sent in the mail to you, which you will receive stamps, the digital copy, as well as a paper copy of your flyer, envelopes, and what else that I'm missing? Envelope stamps, your flyers. Pretty much you get everything included in the box to start mailing. And a lot of companies are not doing that. They don't offer that. There's something missing with some of the companies that's out there that they don't offer. So if you are wanting to get started with an all-inclusive system, Cash in the Box is the best system to get started with. So I'm going to show you something else that I'm using. I created a cover letter that I'm going to be sending out with my flyers. And of course, I was emailed those, and I'm going to print those off. I wanted to get a head start, but it takes about a week to get your information verified. And if you go ahead and send out your money in the mail priority, then it will get there faster to kind of expedite the process. But it does take about a week to get your package, and you'll just watch your P.O. box. I suggest getting a P.O. box if you don't have one, unless you want to use your personal address to put on a flyer. I really suggest that you go ahead, and it's cheap, to about $20 or $30 to purchase a P.O. box locally so that you can make sure that you're branding yourself and being professional. This is a business, so you want to start out right. This is my cover letter that I created that I need to make sure that I save and make sure I proofread it. But this is something that I suggest that everyone use to brand yourself, because you want to introduce the persons that you're prospecting to you so that they can get connected. If you are wanting to take your business to the next level, you can do this completely offline. But if you want to take it to the next level, you can add the online marketing techniques, which I use Instagram, Facebook, as well as Twitter to get started. So if you want to make sure that you're getting your business out to the masses, you want to make sure that you're using everything possible to do so. So I would suggest a cover letter. As you can see, I've included my name because I want to connect with whoever wants this opportunity. I have my Facebook link here, my email, my YouTube channel, my Instagram name. And I even have my picture here so that the person can get a feel of that I am a real person and that I want to help everybody earn and be in profit. With this system, it's possible. I'm going to cut this video down But this is the information that I have for Cash in the Box. I'm excited because I've already got people on my waiting list looking at this program, and I'm going to send them my flyer either by email, because that's a good thing about the internet. You don't have to mail to them. You can just reach out to them by internet. And so for the other persons, I will be using this system. And by the way, leads does come with this system. You can get leads, and this is a one-time fee. There's not a monthly fee. If you want to continue to push this business, the discount for the leads, the wholesale prices for what they offer, if you want to order more stamps as well as envelopes, it's up to you. This system is all inclusive, but if you want to continue to build, you can reach out to the CEO of this company and get your supplies. You don't have to search around and shop around because the leads are phenomenal. The pricing, the discounted pricing for the supplies is great. Now, if you want to go to the Dollar Tree or the dollar store to get envelopes, that's up to you. You don't have to wait to get started. If you want to print more flyers using your personal computer, I believe the ink cartridges for certain printers, it will be cheaper to print yourself than to go to some of the local Office Depot or Office Max or what have you. It's cheaper to cut the costs to make sure that you're getting your profits and using those profits to put back into your business and to pay yourself. So that's all I have for you for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, be blessed, and remember, invest your life. All right, peace.